Hey, naturals! Today I'm going to share my best natural skincare routine for teens. I'll also show how to get rid of freckles and sunspots in 2 weeks naturally at home. First, let me tell you a little about myself. I am a 19-year-old content creator who has struggled with acne and hyperpigmentation since I was 13. I have combination skin that is prone to oiliness in my T-zone and dryness on my cheeks. Over the years, I have spent hundreds of dollars on skincare products with little success until I discovered the power of natural remedies. After trying many different ingredients, I found that the most effective and safest ones for my skin are those derived from plants and herbs. That is why all of the recipes in this video will contain only natural ingredients that can be found in your kitchen. Let's begin with the morning routine. As soon as I wake up, I immediately wash my face with cold water and a mild facial cleanser. I recommend using a gentle cleanser like baby shampoo or gentle hydrating cleanser from brands like Cetaphil or Vanicream. Harsh detergents can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. It's important to use a mild cleanser that won't disrupt the skin's natural barrier. You should avoid hot water as it can cause the skin to produce more oil, leading to clogged pores and breakouts. Cold water, on the other hand, can help tighten the appearance of your skin, making it a great option for those with oily skin. After cleansing, I apply a homemade toner to a cotton pad and gently swipe it across my face. This toner is made with witch hazel, which is an astringent that can help tighten and tone the skin. It also contains aloe vera, which is soothing and hydrating. To make this toner, simply mix a 1/4 cup of witch hazel with a 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel in a bowl. Transfer the mixture into a spray bottle and shake well before each use. Next, I apply a thin layer of moisturizer to my face. I use a lightweight lotion that contains niacinamide, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps to reduce inflammation and redness. If you don't have any specific skin concerns, you can use a simple moisturizer like Cetaphil or Neutrogena. I then apply sunscreen to protect my skin from the sun's harmful rays. I use a mineral sunscreen that contains zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, which are physical blockers that sit on top of the skin and reflect the sun's rays away from the body. Now let's talk about how to get rid of freckles and sunspots. Sunspots are brown spots on the skin that are caused by an increase in melanin production. This can be triggered by sun exposure, hormonal changes, pregnancy, or certain medications. To treat sunspots and freckles, I recommend using a natural remedy that contains kojic acid, licorice root, or vitamin C. These ingredients can help to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of sunspots and freckles. One way to apply these ingredients to your skin is by using a DIY face mask. For example, you can make a face mask with 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. The lactic acid in the yogurt can help exfoliate the skin and reduce the appearance of freckles and sunspots. The honey and lemon juice will help to brighten and hydrate the skin. Apply the mask to your face for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. You can also use a facial scrub once or twice a week to help remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter, more even skin. A simple scrub that you can make at home is one with a 1/4 cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Gently massage the mixture onto your face in circular motions before rinsing. It is important to note that these natural remedies may not work as quickly as over-the-counter or prescription treatments. However, they are still effective and can help improve the appearance of your skin over time. Additionally, it's important to protect your skin from the sun by wearing sunscreen, hats, and protective clothing when outdoors. This will help prevent the formation of new freckles and sunspots. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. Please like and subscribe for more content.